In this video, I'm trying to tell you how we can draw a common structure of resonance for these three heterocycles. These three heterocycles are Furan, Pyrrole and Thiophene. Furan, it's a 5-member, same is the case with Pyrrole and Thiophene. These are aromatic heterocycles, contain oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur heteroatom. Oxygen contains 2 lone pair of electron, nitrogen 1 and sulfur 2. Here, out of 2, 1 is taking part in the resonance. This lone pair is taking part in the resonance. Here, out of 2, 1 is taking part in the resonance. So instead of drawing 3 different resonating structures, we can understand resonance of these 3 heterocycles by one general structure. In this general structure, X means heteroatom and this lone pair of electron is the part of aromaticity. So we will start with this lone pair. It is shared between this heteroatom and carbon number 2. Now when this is happening, simultaneously the bond is breaking from carbon number 2 and carbon number 3. Both the electrons are shifting on carbon number 3. So in the next structure, we are seeing that heteroatom and carbon number 2 is having now pi bond, and the electrons, because they are shifted on the carbon number 3, so carbon number 3 is having negative charge. Heteroatom, as it is sharing its electron, both the electrons, so it will acquire positive charge. In the next structure, this negative charge is shared between this carbon 3 and 4. Simultaneously, the bond breaking will take place, pi bond breaking from 4 and 5. Electron will shift on carbon number 5. So in the next structure, it is shown that the double bond is formed here and the carbon number 5 acquired negative charge. Then carbon number 5 and heteroatom, they will form a double bond, pi bond, and this pi bond will be broken simultaneously. Electron will shift on carbon number 2. So it is shown here. Still it is positively charged because it is having deficiency of electron. Then in the next structure, it is shown that the carbon number 2 and carbon number 3, the negative charge, this negative charge is shared, pi bond is forming. Simultaneously this bond is breaking and electrons are shifting on carbon number 4. And in the last, these electrons from carbon number 4 is shared between this carbon 4 and 5. Simultaneously the bond is breaking and both electrons are shifting toward heteroatom. So again the original structure is obtained. So these are resonating structures of furan, pyrrole and thiophene. So by this common general structure, we can draw the structures of furan, pyrrole, thiophene, resonating structures.